Damn.
Look.
Good, buddy. Good, buddy. Shout out, hi,
Fuck,
baby.
man.
Fuck.
Pure beats, Bonnie. Kelly J just hit the scene. A photo shoot fresh, about to call the paparazzi on my set. 'Cause they can't do what I do the way I do. We've been waiting for a while. Oh, so sit back and let the seas down. It'll be alright. I'm the queen of the jungle.
Oh man, I did it to y'all. We gonna get into it on this one. Listen, I might need a drink. I think I might need a drink because I don't think y'all understand how real it's about to get. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it to y'all because y'all had it coming. Y'all knew it was coming, and I know y'all love me because I'm just a little tad bit crazy. So today is a special day because we are tackling Mother's Day gift ideas, quarantine edition. What better way to introduce you to my sibling, my roommate, my baby brother, Mr. Julio. Listen, it's been a long time.
What's up?
It's been 24, 23?
Yeah.
23 years?
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
It's been
Been
23,
rocking.
24 years.
Been rolling. Today we're gonna get into it. We gonna dive right into this. We're gonna dive right
I don't
into
feel
this.
like we're diving into it right now. Taking actually a lot of time. It's probably been like
We're
it's
taking
probably been a few minutes. Actually.
a periologically long time. I can't listen. I invited my brother on this journey with me talking about Mother's Day gifts because I feel like it's very necessary.
My shirt looks about bright as shit, doesn't it? Bright as hell.
I thought it was very necessary. You understand what I'm saying? To get my brother on the scene because I think it's very important for the sons to have a perspective on what ideas are more suitable to give for their mothers because some sons
They terrible.
they ain't got
Just
they just
not
ain't
together.
They just ain't got shit.
They're not together.
I'm just gonna keep it 100. And then, what gifts are more suitable for the daughter to give their mothers? If but this is what we do. This is what we do, babe. Listen, don't hate, babe. This is what we do.
I'm so
We
tired.
are the gift nurturer. We are the gift givers. We are the gifts that keep on giving. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into it. And number one for Mother's Day ideas, quarantine edition. All right, so we know all our mothers out there who are working right now, whether you are working on the front lines, whether you are working from home. We know that all of our mothers need to be supported right now, and what better way to do that than to gift our mothers with their favorite bottle of wine or alcohol.
No,
Listen, I understand it. You tired at home, you tired of dealing with these crazy kids, this crazy complaining husband, these crazy people coming in with no mask, no gloves, coming in your refrigerator, drinking up your shit. I don't mind it.
No. Just don't even.
I can't have no sip.
Can't have a sip.
I bought this
You
wine.
can't have a sip. Just
I bought this wine.
give me the glass. Carry on.
I'm just trying to say, what better way to wind your mother down, make her relax? She got a little, bottle of wine. Get her a little turn.
Yeah, just a little loosey goosey. Number one for me. For all the men, all the sons, clearly we aren't really viewed as very thoughtful in the first place.
No.
Yeah, so, which is why we're going to be thoughtful this time. We're going to cook your mom her favorite meal.
Oh, that's so nice.
Right? Obviously, it's pretty thoughtful. It makes your mom, realize that you care about her. Anything from spaghetti, burgers. And, if your mom is bougie, you can cook her something with seafood.
Ooh,
Shrimp
some pasta.
scampi,
Yeah.
blackened salmon. In our case, Our mom likes hot dogs.
Oh, that shit is easy, man. We just put that shit.
Hot dogs.
I mean, we just put that shit in the microwave.
She likes hot dogs. She likes hot dogs.
Just no. Listen.
Who does that?
All I'm saying is,
oh man,
what better way to give your people with some alcohol and some hot dogs?
Hot dogs. Give us some hot dogs.
All right, moving on. Number 2 for our quarantine edition Mother's Day gift ideas. For all of our daughters out there who are gifting their mothers, if you guys are practicing social distancing, I think this idea would actually be really beneficial for you. You can send her a spa treatment. You can go on Amazon.com. They have tons and tons and tons of spa treatments out there. Spa kits like scrubbing, facial scrubbers, facial cleansers, certain mud masks.
What's a mud mask? Don't even answer that. Don't answer it. Just don't.
So when I think of a nice free time where I can just wind down, I love a little rose oil treatment. I put a little rose oil cleanser, on my face, wash it off, get some rose oil milk toner, and get that on real nice and smooth. And then I like to hit it up with a nice little moisturizer, you baby. And then I give myself some oil and some serum, you know what I'm saying? So just, make your mom feel a little good and special and clean and all vibrant and radiant and shit.
I didn't know what none of that was. I knew the moisturizer.
Okay, well, what you gotta say?
It.
Well, what you gotta say?
Hopefully your mom knows what that is. Because I don't know who knows what that is. I don't know who knows what that is.
What you gotta say? Well, what you gotta say?
Anyways, moving on to the one that really matters. The sun. Right? The sun? Yeah, sun. Okay, so with number 2, for us sons, for us men out there, on the contrary to the first one, immaculate, thoughtful gift, we gotta go with the basic, the one and only, the classic, the timeless flower and gift card. Right? So, with the flower and gift card, it reminds your mom how, well, I guess it could be considered thoughtful if you like to write notes. Hopefully you do take time to write a note, which you should be writing a note. Actually, write a note to your mom in a nice little gift card, Of course, practice social distancing while you're picking up a gift card, and also get the flowers to go with, because it's just, I don't know, flowers are very fresh, they're very clean, especially it's the springtime right now, we're going to the summer. Your mom wants to see some vibrancy. She's been looking at a dull, musty...
What the fuck?
She's looking at a dull, musty you all day during the winter.
If you don't know how to write, or if you don't know how to really put your words and thoughts together, you can hit up Hallmark.com. They'll have some samples for you to choose from.
Also, another tip from a male is just find another female. She'll know what to write. She'll know how to help you.
Yeah.
You ask your girlfriend, ask your sister, ask your auntie.
Yeah.
And actually, if you're practicing social distancing right now, you can go on a website called doseofroses.com, where they are running a sale for 10% off your purchase if you enter the code MOM, though. It's MOM. You gotta enter the code MOM. And I just don't see what's not to like about that.
Pick up your change, sis.
Puriana.
Learn how to budget, sis.
Puriana.
Save your coins, sis.
Puriandre.
We're on the last one. Numero 3. Numero 3. It's pronounced China.
China.
All right, number 3 for Mother's Day gift ideas. You can gift your mother with jewelry.
Oh, yes.
And you can do that by going on www.pandera. That was 4 times. Alright, the way you can do that is going to pandera.com, or you can go to mynamenecklace.com. My favorite website out of these 2 is My Name Necklace, because you can personalize your jewelry. Wow. So, My Name Necklace has a sale going on right now. It is 30% off for Mother's Day.
That's 30.
Period. Not only does it cater to necklaces, but they have watches, rings, bracelets, and earrings. And the best part, again, is that you can customize it with their name. So as you can see here, I have a necklace with my name on it. You can choose from silver, rose gold, or gold.
And last but not least, number 3, we made it. Get off me, bro. We made it. So number 3, you know what I'm saying? It's the timeless again, the immaculate again, gift card. I mean, gift cards are so diverse. You know, you can pick from so many options. If your mom likes shoes, get her a DSW gift card. If your mom likes video games, get her a GameStop gift card. If your mom likes grocery shopping for yo dumbass, you like that? Then get her a Kroger gift card.
Absolutely.
But obviously, the number one thing to get her is an Amazon gift card, because she can get all 3 of those on Amazon.
In one.
Food, shoes, video games, everything on Amazon.
Okay, fam, so that wraps up the Mother's Day quarantine edition gift ideas video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Julio, for coming on my
You know, it's been a pleasure.
Yay.
This is only the first time y'all gonna see me, so I mean, it's not like they'll never see me.
Yeah, we're gonna do many videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, click the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, you can follow my bro, my twin, the gangster, at
Jumpin' Julio on all of my platforms: Twitter,
Gimme.
Instagram. Snapchat is different, but we ain't giving Snapchat away. So follow me on Instagram and
Yeah,
Twitter
'cause it
at
gets-
Jumpin' Julio.
gets a little ratchet. Gets a little ratchet on Snapchat.
It's
you
a
know.
little, it's a little bit.
And again, let us know in the comments below which ideas you thought you would want to try, or if you have any other suggestions that you would like to try for Mother's Day
They better be good.
during this quarantine time. Yes, they better be good. And please let us know if you got the alcohol,
The alcohol.
because I'm about to have some. You
Me
be.
too.
And with that, it's a wrap.